And I remember praying to Allah and saying, Allah, you have given me so much profound knowledge that I really just want to share it with other people. I don't want anything in exchange. I just want a chance to allow people to feel what I felt that night when my heart was broken and I just heard those 20 seconds of Dr. Israr. You know, that connection that I had, that feeling that I had, you cannot even express it to someone. You cannot even share it with someone because you don't have the words to describe what you were actually feeling at that time. But it is out of this world. So I said, Allah, I just want a chance to give that feeling to someone else in the same way that I was able to get it through Dr. Israr, but of course it was coming from Allah. And that's how this entire journey started. Feeding all the earth.